What if you could step back in time and see the faces of greatness before the world knew their names? Black and white memories, now reborn in color. These aren't just childhood photos. They're prophecies. Let's bring history to life. Trump, once just a kid in Queens, now one of the most controversial figures on the planet. Donald J. Trump, before the power, before the politics. Biden, color reveal. A boy from Scranton, Pennsylvania, who fought through loss, stuttering, and tragedy. Now the President of the United States, Joe Biden. Hillary Clinton, color reveal. From curious schoolgirl to global force. This is Hillary Clinton, long before the headlines. Albert Einstein, color reveal. They said he was slow, quiet, different. But the spark in his eyes, timeless. Young Albert Einstein, reimagined in full color. JFK, color reveal. This boy's charm, courage, and tragedy would echo through generations. Young John F. Kennedy, a glimpse into American royalty before the crown. Martin Luther King Jr., color reveal. Before the dream, before the marches, just a preacher's son with a voice waiting to rise. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., the light in his eyes already burning bright, asterisk. These faces changed the world, but once, they were just kids, asterisk. You've seen them in color. Now you'll never forget them. Which transformation hit you hardest? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe if you believe the past still matters.